and this is my daughter Sky, and today we're going to be making Christmas ornaments. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
Okay, for the record, I don't know how to do nothing. So we gonna do this all together. For the beginners, the first timers, we gotta do this all together. Cause one thing at a time. Cause this is my first time as well. Alright.
2 cups of flour, complete cup. And then 1 cup of salt. Now here's a trick that I want to show you all when doing flour. Dip your cup in there like this. Level it off with the bag.
You hand it right now.
That's
a
okay.
great idea.
Now you're going to do a cup of salt. Yes, a whole cup of salt, people. I know.
Cup? Wow.
I know that's crazy, but yeah. There goes my salt.
This is going to take forever.
Add another one. Turn.
And once you get your cup of salt in there, you want to make sure that you mix your flour and salt really good.
We halfway there, y'all.
And I am going to go ahead and preheat the oven. 175 degrees. I'm sorry.
175.
175 of these.
This is a really big cup of salt. That's enough?
Yep, that's exact. Okay. Now you want to mix this together.
I want to.
You want to mix it? Come over here and mix it for us. Come over here.
Okay.
Good job, Sky.
Good job. Look at that.
Yeah.
Little Miss Baker. Now let's make sure we get it real good. Get all that flour in there like that. All right.
That is so impressive.
There you go.
All right.
Now next we're going to add a cup of warm water, but you're going to add half a cup and mix it.
All of this, right?
Half a cup. A little more. Now mix that together.
Hey, Grandma, you want
And
us
the water
to
needs to
you
be
today?
warm water. Simply because it's winter time, just use warm water. And once it's clumpy like that,
Oh, it's supposed to be?
yep. Now you add the other half.
Grandma, you want to enjoy you today?
Yeah.
You enjoy it? She enjoyed it herself. Yeah, she was.
Now mix that really well. Cause see all that flour still in there?
Yeah.
And I know it's tough, but
It does get really thick.
Hey, Grandma,
Heavy.
you got some glitter?
yeah, I do.
Oh,
I got all that stuff for you to
It
decorate.
gets really thick.
yeah.
So you gotta really mix it in there.
Well, that's when your hands come in. Now that we've mixed this, now you're going to use your hands.
Everybody wash their everybody wash their hands.
True, it's washed, but you know, these are Christmas
Christmas
ornaments,
ornaments,
but still. Your food around the table, so. Now, when you're mixing the way she
reminds me
is,
of,
this is actually called kneading the dough. It's important to knead the dough regardless of what you're baking because the gluten mixes in and those gluttons form gluten strands. And it mixes with the gas in the dough. And that gas is what makes
Ugh.
your dough rise.
It's doughy.
Yeah.
It reminds me of tamales.
When
Right.
you mix water with flour, it makes dough, Grandma.
Yes, it does. Now, if you don't need this dough, when you try to put it in the oven, it will literally spread out on your cookie sheet. Now, you see what I'm doing here?
So
I will
can't you make like a
I'm gonna
a
make
crust for a pie like that?
It's the
Yeah.
same concept.
Yeah.
When you're making pie crust, you still need to knead your dough. And kneading the dough is basically just rolling it, punching down, flipping it, punching down, and you just do that a couple of times. Done. Now, you're going to flour your surface. Flour.
Oh, here?
Right here.
Just pour it on the table?
Flouring your surface means take some in your hand and sprinkle it on the table. Whenever you have to roll out dough, you need to flour the surface, whether it's a cutting board or your table.
Why
Now,
are your table? Looks like you're making a mess.
you are. Now you're going to take this, put it right there, put a little bit of flour on top of your dough, and then flour your rolling pin. This is going to keep your dough from sticking to your rolling pin. Now you want to roll it out, press down and roll in all directions.
I know how to do that.
And you're going to roll until your dough is a 1/4 inch thick. Go that way. We're right here where we want to be. Now you're going to take your cookie cutters and press it into the dough. Do some more. Right over here.
Oh no.
Well, that's actually good. You got one up.
Not on top. Don't put it on top of the Christmas tree.
Oh,
You can put it right here.
yeah. Looks like it's flying, ain't it?
Yeah.
It's an angel.
It's an angel.
Now, once you have them on your cookie sheet, you're simply going to take any tool and place a little hole. So we're going to go ahead and finish this up and get back to you.
Hey y'all, I'm finna eat this pepper steak and rice that my mom cooked while these ornaments bake for about 2 hours. By the way, this is really good pepper steak and rice. Y'all should try it. Well, after now it's completely dry, and as you can see, she already started painting. So I guess we can paint.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yes.
you can choose any color you want.
Yes.
Of course, you know I'm going to choose green for the tree.
Uh-huh.
And just paint. And when you paint, try not to paint over the hole like she did. Don't paint over the holes, guys, because when we hang them up, we don't want the paint to dry over the hole.
Oh.
Yeah, we still got to put them on the tree.
But I still did good on this one.
Yeah, you did really good on all of them. Just don't paint over the hole. Okay?
Okay.
And use one brush color. This is green, the green brush, right? And then use that one for the red. Don't mix them. So we can keep the colors in.
Yes. Look, this one is a rainbow color.
And it's just a really exciting, fun thing to do, especially around the holidays. Gives your kids something to do.
Yes.
And I want to mention that when you paint this, the best paint to use for this is acrylic paint.
We're the best painters ever, Mommy.
Thank you guys for joining us today on Christine's Awesome Things. We had a lot of fun today during the Christmas ornaments, painting, and everything. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please like the video. Support my mom. She's very creative. She loves doing things, and I love doing things with her. Yup, just come through support.